Deepika Padukone, who has kept a very low profile ever since she was summoned for questioning by the NCB for the procurement of banned substances, has been spotted for the first time since her interrogation. The actor was seen exiting an airport in Mumbai with Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi as they returned from Goa after completing a long schedule for Shakun Batra's next film. As a part of its investigation into the link between banned substances and the demise of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, actors Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Rakulpreet Singh and Shraddha Kapoor were summoned for questioning by the NCB. They were each interrogated for a few hours at least, but the agency was unable to establish any links between these actors and the peddlers of banned substances. Deepika, who was filming in Goa for Shakun Batra's next film, returned to complete filming soon after her questioning and has kept a low profile both off-screen and on social media. Check it out. Deepika, Ananya and Siddhant, who were all working for the first time together, have been working round the clock on completion of an important schedule of the film that has already been delayed due to the pandemic. Shooting was stalled for a few days when Deepika was summoned by the NCB, but it seems the team has managed to complete filming without any more delays. After being away for a long time, Deepika, Ananya and Siddhant have finally returned to Mumbai and was spotted exiting an airport. The actor, who was last seen in public with husband Ranveer Singh when she left from Goa to be questioned by the NCB, was finally spotted as she made her way out of the airport in Mumbai. Deepika, who has kept away from the media ever since her questioning, was spotted wearing a loose and comfortable blue and white striped shirt and shorts and white shoes. The actor was the first to leave the airport and was seen getting into her car, soon after which Ananya Pandey followed. Ananya also kept her look casual and dressed in a white crop top and blue jeans, which she paired with a cute blue hat, given that they just landed from the beaches of Goa. Siddhant, who got his big break with Gully Boy, was seen dressed in a neon green and black colored jacket, pants, and he added dark shades to complete his look. But while Deepika has not been called for further questioning, her former manager Karishma Prakash's whereabouts are still unknown. In an update just coming in, Karishma has reportedly resigned from her position in the talent management agency where she worked on Deepika's account and a few other stars. Her connection to Deepika was because of her employment with the agency that manages Deepika as a client, and her resignation ends all ties to the actor as well. The NCB is reportedly planning to question Karishma again and have been trying to locate her for some time now. Whether Karishma will appear before the NCB soon and if this will lead to Deepika being investigated again remains a question that only can be answered once the former talent manager agrees to come forward and share what she knows.